Provincial Governor of Bohol last February 14, total of 76 million. 71 for Loon District for construction. Pero ma'am, wala rin siya nasugdan kay tungod based on from Mines and Geoscience Bureau, not fit ang area sa katong district hospital. So same with Maripuho. Maripuho received 5 million.
Because we share the same concern with the DOH kana pag-rebuild bitaw nato sa atong mga classrooms, which because right after the earthquake, di ba, igawas naman po itong policy na we need to have first the certification from the MGB before we can rebuild the classroom.
Nagbagong classrooms, not the certification sa
mao na gingon nga usa bitaw po sa medyo at least nakalangay og jutay ato sa atong implementation is we were waiting for the certification from MGB, and we found out that there are really there are really school sites, no, nga natulog yun sa sinkhole.
Actually, yung mapping ng sinkhole is being done by the MGB Central Office kasi sila yung merong instrument, yung ground penetrating radar na nakaka-detect ng mga underground cavities. So far, as of last count, nasa 500 plus yung namap nila na sinkholes in Bohol alone. Tapos dito sa Cebu, hindi pa po namin nasimulan ng GPR survey dito sa Cebu. Pero based sa mapping activities sa geohazards, may mga areas tayo na may mga sinkholes. Yes.